Well, I'm at it again. It's a loaf of bread that's going to go in the oven shortly. Ignore those Walmart bakery buns. I was in a hurry. But for tomorrow night, I got some homemade sub rolls. These jokers are going to be awesome. I'm making up some. Basically, I'm doing like French dip with these. It's going to be fun. Going to be good. I mean, and nothing beats homemade sub rolls. You can't smell it in here, but if you could, you'd just be loving it. The yeasty smell is overwhelming and just so good. And we had smash burgers for dinner, also all homemade. Had homemade fries. It's just good.